Hare Krishna. Jai Srimati Radharani ki Jai. Today is Radhashtami. So we'll talk something about whatever is given in the PPT about Srimati Radharani. Okay. Today is her appearance day. Yes. So we'll start with a prayer, Radha Krishna Pranama. Yeah, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishora. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishora. Jivani Marani Gati Arana Himora. Jivani Marani Gati Arana Himora. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishora. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishora. Kalindiri Koli Keli Kadambirawana. Kalindiri Koli Keli Kadambirawana. Ratana Vidita Upara Bosabo Dujana. Ratana Vidita Upara Bosabo Dujana. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishora. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishora. I'll take a lower. I have a very bad throat. Shama Gauri Ange Vibo Chandani Raganda. Shama Gauri Ange Vibo Chandani Raganda. Chamara Dulabo Kabi Eri Mukha Chandra. Chamara Dulabo Kabi Eri Mukha Chandra. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishora. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishora. Gatiya Mala Tiramala Dibodo Hargale. Gatiya Mala Tiramala Dibodo Hargale. Adhare Tuliya Dibo Karpura Tambule. Adhare Tuliya Dibo Karpura Tambule. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishora. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishora. Lalita Vishakadi Jatasaki Brinda. Lalita Vishakadi Jatasaki Brinda. Agyaya Koribo Seva Charanaravinda. Agyaya Koribo Seva Charanaravinda.
बाद में बंद कर देना.
Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishora. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishora. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Dasiranu-dasa. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Dasiranu-dasa. Seva Vinasha Kore Narotama-dasa. Seva Vilasha Puri Narottamadaasa Radha Krishna Prani Mora Gala Kishora Radha Krishna Prani Mora Gala Kishora Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So this is all what Kirtan by Narottama Das Thakur. He has written this Hare Krishna, Radha Krishna Pranamura. So I just took one of, there are many songs, just took one of it to start with. Okay. So on this we are learning from, this all these bhajans also we are learning from ISKCON Mangalore only. So this is a good platform, Prabhuji has given us. So we'll go to the story of, Radharani. This one, a few slides are there. After that, they're all this Chaitanya Charitamrita or shlokas are. Okay, over 5 millennia ago, long ago, in a place now called Northern India, on a half moon night in the month of Bhadra, King Rishabhanu came to the Jamuna to bathe and found himself engulfed in a golden aura that was emanating from a lotus. And who was there in the lotus? A small baby, which had a baby girl standing on its bowl, the petals. So when the king returned to the palace with the baby, Queen Kirtida was delighted. But what she found, she was shocked to find that girl was blind. So means what? She was not able to see. But what was the reason for it? Because she was waiting to see only Krishna. She doesn't want to see anybody else. She was just, closed her eyes. Hare Krishna. So these are some photos are given. So a small baby Radharani. Yeah. So Srimati Radharani is who? She is a supreme goddess. She is just, there is no difference between Krishna and Radharani. Radharani is just same Krishna, the same potency she has. It's a pleasure potency. With a pleasure potency, and another Rupa is formed, and she is called Radharani. That's all. So we should not look at them as in the material angle, like, in the material world, how we see a lover, a couple, we should not be looking at them that way. So they both are one. And how they love, have love towards each other. That is what we have to. They both are like goddess. So, yeah. So it is described that she is a chief associate and devotee of Lord Krishna and topmost of all goddesses. So she is the topmost, and all this always a Sakhis all around us, around her. And Krishna is always with her, and she's also always with Lord Krishna, because they both are one. So naturally, even in our tilak, we put that. Tulsi, we put, even the other people in one, they put Lakshmi ka thing in them. So it's like Radharani, Lakshmi, all one only. Tulsi and Radharani. Though we may have different stories and pastimes and all, but it's all the female part of the Lord only. Lord, the female part is what is Radharani. So, yeah. Then she's most always seen with Lord Krishna. Always she'll be with Lord Krishna along with the Sakhis. And her name means she is the most excellent worshipper of Lord Krishna. Hare, Hare. We say, we normally say Hare Krishna. What is that Hare means? Hare is the pleasure potency of the Lord, and that denotes Radharani. Yeah. And then, however, she's also an expansion of Lord's energy. No difference between Lord and Lord and Radharani. So since she is also an extension of Krishna, she is the feminine aspect of God. That's just the same, same expansion. Swamsha, we say, same expansion. Only she is like given a form of a female. So she is an extension of Krishna. She is the feminine aspect of the Lord. Thus, in the Gaudiya Vaishnava tradition, God is both male and female. They are one, but Krishna expands into two himself and Radharani for the sake of divine loving pastimes. It's only for the sake of pastimes to make us understand, what is it's just a part. See, in Krishna's childhood, we have seen so many pastimes. Just like from that, we may be learning something. We should be actually learning something. So just like with Radharani also, he's trying to have some pastimes. And if they remained as one, then there is no relationship. We will not be able to make out. So when there are two, like when he expands like that, two different individuals, then we'll be able to know, like, what fasting they do. So then there are no, so if they were one, then there is no relationship, there are no past tense, and there can be no dynamic exchange of lovers. So this is given in Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela 4.55 to 56. It's been explained. Now we have many just verses are there from Chaitanya Charitamrita only. So we'll just go through one by one. Yeah. So anybody wants to read? Mani Jain Mata, you want to read? So this is
Yes, Mother.
Yeah, please take up.
Yes, yes.
Actually, my throat is so bad. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. CC Adi, Chaitanya Charitamrit Adi 1.5 Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikritra Alahadani Shaktir Asmat Ekatmanav Api Bhuvi Pura Dehi Bhedam Gatau Tau Chaitanya Khayam Prakritam Adhuna Tadvayam Chaikam Apatam Radha Bhavadyuti Swalitam Naumi Krishna Swarupam.
Hare Krishna, somehow you managed. But this is not that Chaitanya Charitamrita tune mein nahi baithta. It is
Yes.
Yeah, it's a long thing, I don't know. So anyway, I'm just looking at for the first time, okay? I don't know what is written. Anyway, so I'm also learning the way how you people are, seeing for the first time. Anyway, but morning, Prabhuji had discussed this. I was attending, but I didn't know that it will come to me and I have to explain. Anyway, the loving affairs of Sri Radha and Krishna are transcendental manifestations of the Lord's internal pleasure living potency. Although Radha and Krishna are one in their identity, they separated themselves eternally. Now these two transcendental identities have again united in the form of Sri Krishna Chaitanya. That we know. No? Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is a combination of both Sri Radha and Sri Krishna and Radharani. I bow down to him who has manifested himself with the sentiment and complexion of Srimati Radharani, although he is Krishna himself. This is given in Adi Leela 1.5. Next one, please. Yes, this is Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela 4.2. Radhika Haina Krishnera Pranaya Vikara Swarupa Shakti Hladini Namaya Hara. Now this says Srimati Radhika is a transformation of Krishna's love. She is his internal energy, called Hladini. So we used to normally come across these words. So the Hladini Shakti of Krishna is who? Radharani herself. Then what is given in Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela 4.60. Yeah, Mani Jain Mata, you want to take one and then alternatively?
Yes, Mataji. Ahladani Karaya Krishna Ananda Swadhana Alhadanira Dwara Kare Bhaktera Poshana.
That Hladini energy gives Krishna pleasure. So he gets immense pleasure. Whenever Radharani is with him, he gets immense pleasure. So that he is actually experiencing. He's the same, like, Radharani himself, like, he's just two separate identities. Then he's able to understand that love, what, she's giving him. So he's able to realize that love. So that Hladini energy, his own energy, which is Hladini Shakti, and formed as, Radharani, he's able to realize how that energy works, gives Krishna pleasure and nourishes his devotees. So even we get very happy to see Radharani. So, and always it is said that to please Krishna, we have to go through Radharani. When Radharani is pleased, even Krishna gets pleased with things. So it's that. Then this is Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela 4.16. Mahabhava Swarupa Shri Radha Thakurani Sarva Guna Khani Krishna Kanta Shiromani. Shri Radha Thakurani is the embodiment of Mahabhava. She is the repository of all good qualities and the crest jewel among all the lovely consorts of Lord Krishna. You can find many, this Ras Leela and all, when you see, there are many people, but she is the main crest, main person whom he really loves the most. Other people love him, but he loves somebody is Radharani. Yes, and she is what? She has all the good qualities. Okay, this is what is given. Mahabhava Swarupa Shri Radha Thakurani Sarva Guna Khani. She has got all the guna. Yes. You want to take Mathaji? Manija and Mathaji, please.
तयोरपि उभयोर्मध्ये राधिका सर्वथाधिका महाभावा स्वरूपयम् गुणैर अति वृषयसी एक नहीं आया माता जी ट्यून में
तयोरपि उभयोर्मध्ये राधिका सर्वाधिका महाभाव स्वरूपेयं गुणैर अतिवर्यसी. Hare Krishna. Okay. Of these two gopis, Radharani and Chandravali, Srimati Radharani is superior, naturally, she is the male fulcrum type, so she is most superior in all respects. She is the embodiment of Mahabhava and she surpasses all in good qualities. That's what is said in here. Not much to learn about, but it's fun to know about Radharani. So there are two, two gopis are there, Radharani and Chandravali, but Radharani is the supreme. She has all the good qualities. Then Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi 4.7. Krishna Prema Bhavita Yara Chitendriya Kaya Krishna Nija Shakti Radha Kridara Sahaya. Her mind, senses and body are steeped in love for Krishna. And that is what he wants to experience. And what Chaitanya Charitamrita also, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also has taken a form of the Chaitanya, just to, and it's Krishna's form only, Krishna's this only, avatar only, but of a color of Radharani, he has both the qualities in him, because Krishna wanted to know how Radharani is, loving me. I want to experience that. What is there in me that she loves me so much? So her mind, senses and body are all steeped in love for Krishna. She is Krishna's own energy and she helps him in his pastimes. Yes, you want to take Mataji or I'll continue?
अकारा स्वभाव बहिदेव ऋचा देवी गणा काया व्यूहा रूपा तानरा रसेरा करना.
Tara, you should say that.
Tanara.
So Tara, that nasal sound you have to bring. Tara Rasera Karana is. Okay, the Vraja Devis have diverse bodily features. They are her expansions and are the instruments for expanding rasa. So she's always surrounded by all these Sakis. So the Vraja Devis, they are also have diverse bodily features and they are all expansion. They are all her own expansion only. Again, they are all Sakis only, but her own expansion. And the instruments for expanding the rasa. Just more of that, that enjoying that each rasa, they have that Madhurya rasa and all that rasas, just to expand that, they are all there beside her and we can experience. Yeah. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Leela 4.80. Bahu Kanta Vina Nahi Rasera Ullasa Leela Rasahaya Lagi Bahuta Prakasha. Without many concerns, there is not such exaltation in rasa. Actually, to have a rasa means we need many people around, then just one or two person is not that very attractive. Many people around, all are doing Jai Jaikar, it becomes real fun. Therefore, there are many manifestations of Srimati Radharani to assist in the Lord's pastimes. All these are Sakis and Chandravalis and Manjaris, we say, all these are her Sakis. Govinda Nandini Radha, Govinda Mohini, Govinda Sarvasya, Sarvasva Sarva, Kanta Shiromani. Radha is the one who gives pleasure to Govinda. Krishna himself. And why it's Govinda? Go, cow charanevani, Govinda. And she's also the enchantress of Govinda. She is the be all and end all of Govinda. For him, for Govinda, for Krishna, she is the one. She has everything, starts from her, ends with her. And the crest jewel of all his concerns. She's the main person. Where he just goes flat. He doesn't want to look at anybody else. So he really likes her. Many pastimes are there. Hare Krishna. And in Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela 4.83. Devi Krishna Mai Prokta Radhika Para Devata Sarva Lakshmi Mai Sarva Kanti Sammohini Para. The transcendental goddess Srimati Radharani is the direct counterpart of Lord Shri Krishna. She is the central figure for all the goddesses of fortune. Again, Lakshmi Devi. They are no different from, when Krishna is, we say, from Krishna, all those Vishnus have come, all the three Vishnus. We have learned in Bhagavad Gita, right? So all these things have come. So who is Radharani? She just can't be produced somewhere, no. So she is also a potency of Bhagavanta hai. And Lakshmi, Lakshmi is full, opulence also she has. So what is given? She is the central figure for all the goddesses of fortune. She has everything, all that goodness in her. She possesses all the attractiveness to attract the all attractive personality of Godhead. Already Krishna is so attractive. That's why his name is Krishna. Krishna is that attraction. I mean, he's very attractive. And this Radharani is a person who can attract Krishna. So it's much more stronger than Krishna. She is the primeval internal potency of the Lord. Yeah, next. What is it? There's nothing to explain. Just we have to go through all that selected verses they have given. You can just go through. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adilila 4.84. Devi kahi dyutamana parama sundari kiva Krishna puja Tridara Vasati Nagari. Devi means resplendent and most beautiful. Or else it means the lovely abode of the worship and love sports of Lord Krishna. So she is the epitome of love potency. Yes. Then next is Adilila 4.85. Krishna Mai Krishna Yara Bitare Bahira Yaha Netra Pade Taha Krishna Pure. Krishna Mai means we have the song Krishna Mai, some song is there for there's Yugalashtakam. In Yugalashtakam it comes Krishna Mai. So it means one who's within and without our Lord Krishna. Bahir, Antar Bahir, we say no, it's the same. Within also Krishna is there, Bahir, outside also Krishna is there. So Krishna Mai, everywhere Krishna. Krishna is there everywhere. And she sees Lord Krishna wherever she casts her glance. She is able to locate him that way. Wherever. Like when you love somebody, it happens with us also, no? Whenever you are blindly, that's why it's called blind love. When you are blindly love with somebody, wherever you see, you may think, oh, is he the same, the loving, the one, the loving person or who may be. Maybe a child, it can be anybody. So you always see a child and you remember the child whom you love the most. But she's seeing Krishna everywhere. So much she's blinded by that love. Then 4.86 in Adilila. Kyumva prema rasamaya Krishna raswarupa Tara Shakti Tara Sahaya Eka Rupa. Oh, Krishna Mai means that she's, or one more meaning they're giving. Or Krishna Mai means that she's identical with Lord Krishna. Oh, for she embodies the mellows of love. The energy of Lord Krishna is identical with him. The energy of Lord Krishna is identical with her, maybe. Eka Rupa. Okay. Then next is 4.87. Krishna Vacha Purti Rupa Kare Aradhane Ateva Radhika Nama Purane Vakhane. Her worship, Aradhana, consists of fulfilling the desires of Lord Krishna. Therefore, the Puranas call her Radhika. Oh, I don't know that. Her worship, Aradhana. So she does Aradhana. So that's why fulfilling whatever Lord Krishna wants, everything is getting fulfilled. She's worshipping for that. And therefore, in Puranas, she's named as Radhika. Okay, Hare Krishna. Something I got to learn today. Then 4.89 says, Ateva Sarva Pujya Parama Devata Sarva Palika Sarva Jagatera Mata Ho Jagatera Mata, the entire universe ka Mata she is. Therefore, Radha is Parama Devata, the supreme goddess, and she is worshipable for everyone. She is the protectress of Bhagavan is protector. So for a female, it's given as protectress. For Devi, it's given as protectress of all, and she is the mother of the entire universe. Jagatera Mata, Sarva Palika, she's protecting everyone. So she's as good as Bhagavanta Ansh, we say that Bhagavanta Ansh, and she's goddess. Then 4.91 says, Kyumva Sarva Lakshmi Krishnera Sarvida Aishwarya Tara Adhisthatri Shakti Sarva Shakti Varya. Or Sarva Lakshmi indicates that she fully represents the 6 opulence of Krishna. Can anybody name? The first chapter, first slide it is shown. What are the potencies of Krishna? He's very beautiful. He has a lot of strength. Then he has got knowledge, full knowledge, and full of, he's very famous. And what? Wealth. As did I say wealth? Beautiful, very all beauty, all wealth, all strength, all famous, all knowledge, and then all renunciation. So Parashara Muni, he has he has derived this as Bhagavan means who has all the 6 opulence, and who has it? Nobody has other than Krishna. Only Krishna has it. Else nobody has these opulences. So Sarva Lakshmi indicates that she fully represents those 6 opulence of Krishna. So other than Krishna, who nobody has. Now then she has it means what? So it's like A equal to B and then B equal to C. That's why A equal to C. Equation comes like that. So she also has these potencies, means she is also equal to Krishna. She is Krishna, not equal to, she is Krishna. Therefore, she is the supreme energy of Lord Krishna. Whoever suddenly took up maths in between. Hare Krishna. Then Adi Leela 4.92. Sarva Saundarya Kanti by Vishaye. Sarva Saundarya Kanti. Kanti or Kanti. Vishaya Hate. Sarva Lakshmi Ganera Shobha. Haite. The word Sarva Kanti indicates that all beauty, luster rests in a body. All the Lakshmis derive their beauty from her. All the Lakshmis derive their beauty from her. Okay. Lakshmis is the Sakhis and all females. They get the beauty from her. She's all beautiful. Like saying whatever, no, nothing, other than Krishna's potency, she has everything, whatever Krishna has, everything she has. All wealth and all fame, and she's beautiful also like Krishna on that. Then 4.93 says, Kimva Kanti Shabde Krishnera Saba Icha Kahe Krishnera Sakala Vancha Radhate Rahe. Kanti. Kanti may also mean all the desires of Lord Krishna. All the desires of Lord Krishna rest in Srimati Radharani. All the desires of Lord Krishna rest in, what is it? Kanti means all, Kanti may also mean all the desires of Lord Krishna. And that is all resting on Radharani. Oh, all the desires of Lord Krishna rest in Srimati Radharani. Anyway. The 90 verses, Radhika Karena Krishnera Vansita Purana Sarvakati Shabdera Tavivarana. Srimati Radhika fulfills all the desires of Lord Krishna. So this is the meaning of Sarvakanti. That is what he said earlier also. Sarvakanti means one who can fulfill the desires of Lord Krishna. So she is Sarvakanti, yes, because she is fulfilling whatever Krishna wanted from her. So she is fulfilling all his desires. So she is that is the meaning of Sarvakanti. So they are giving a lot of option for Sarvakantika. This, oh God, this is on down. Yeah, this is Adi Leela 4.95. Jagat Mohana Krishna Tara Mohini Ateva Samstira Para Takurani. Lord Krishna enchants the world, but Sri Radha enchants even him. Therefore, she is the supreme goddess of all. Normally, we always talk about Krishna. Today, we come to know it is Radharani is more powerful, more super in beauty and other things. She is enchanting Krishna also. So she is the most powerful one, supreme one. No different from Krishna. Yeah. For 9900. Oh, 2 shlokas are together. Prema Bhakti Shikhaite Apane Avatari Radha Bhava Kanti Duli Angikara Kari Shri Krishna Chaitanya Rupe Kaila Avatara Yeita Panchama Shlokera Artha Parachara. To promulgate Prema Bhakti, that is devotional service in love of Godhead, Krishna appeared as Krishna Chaitanya with the mood and complexion of Sri Radha. Thus, I have explained the meaning of the 5th verse. Who explained? I think we need to go to Chaitanya Charitam to know like what is explained. What is the background of this? Because I'm not read that Chaitanya Charitam. So I don't know who has explained this meaning of the 5th verse. Anyway, so this is what is given. Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself with the complexion of Radha. He does all his pastimes and childhood pastimes. It's all like what Krishna did in his younger days. Yeah, then third, this is Bhagavatam. Okay, 10.30.28. Anaya radhito nunam Bhagavan Harir Ishwaraha Yanno Vihaya Govindaha Prito Yam Anyadraha. Certainly this particular gopi, she's after all a gopi only, but Bhagwan kai anshka that gopi. Besides a special identity, she has a lot of opulence and supreme and all that adjectives are given. Certainly, this particular gopi has perfectly worshipped the all-powerful personality of Godhead, Govinda, since he was so pleased with her that he abandoned the rest of us and brought her to a secluded place. Okay, so after all, God can make out who is the best and who is better and who is good and all. No? So he has selected Radharani. So he knows she's much superior than the other peer, other people around. And so he brought her to a secluded place. Even in Bhagavata. Then again, Adi Leela. So this is repeated. 1 minute. This is Brahma Samhita 5.3. Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavita Bis. Tabis. This is some mistake here. Tabis. Ya eva nijarupataya kalabihi. Goloka eva nivasatya khilatma bhuto. Govindamadi Purisham tamam bhajami. Brahma is, Brahma Samhita is a word. I mean, many shlokas are there. Brahma is, I think, doing stuti. So much he's praising the Lord. So in that, this is coming in 5.37. I worship. That is, Brahma is worshipping. Brahma is, I worship the personality of Godhead Govinda, who by expansion of his internal potency of transcendental existence, knowledge and bliss, that is Satchit Ananda, only that extension is given us existence, knowledge and bliss, enjoys in his own and expanded forms. Simultaneously, he enters into every atom of the creation. He is Vibhu and is Anu also. In the atom also, he can, God goes in, takes a form in that also. He's there in our heart as a Paramatma. He is also there in Goloka Vrindavan as Bhagwan. So I worship such a personality, great personality of Godhead, Govinda. Yes. Okay. Radhe, Radhe. Oh, it's over. Over. It's a very short one. Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi, Radhe Vrindavaneshwari, Vrishabhanusute Devi, Pranamami, Haripriya. Saluting this, obeisances to Pranamami, Haripriya. Haripriya is, she's beloved to Hari, Krishna. And Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi, Radhe Vrindavaneshwari. She's from Vrindavan, Vrindavaneshwari. And Vrishabhanu, her father's name is Vrishabhanu Sute, daughter of Vrishabhanu Sute Devi. She's a Devi of Vrishabhanu, father's name is given. And Pranamami, we have obeisances to that Devi. Yeah, I think that is the end of it. Because I saw the last, I had seen it. Okay, right. So this was all about very short and sweet thing. Anyway, I don't know whether I could explain things better. But the last moment when it came, I just Hare Krishna Devika Sati Mathaji, 1 minute. I just